So we're continuing worksheet 4, and they want us to state if the triangles are similar. And we remember that with these, we are using those three sets of letters, those three postulates or theorems, to prove if the triangles are similar. Well, in this first one, I notice I don't have any angles, so I'm probably going to try side, side, side. Well, the easiest way to do this is just to follow our lengths. So this is the shortest, I should say. 6 is the shortest. So it must correspond to the shortest in the other triangle. The same is true for the medium length side. 7 must correspond to 70, the other medium length side. And last but not least, this 9 measurement must correspond to 90, the longest side. Well, when we reduce this, we have 1 over 10 equals 1 over 10 equals 1 over 10. So the sides are proportional, and by side, 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 the triangles are similar. So let's look at number 6. We have a side and a side, but we don't have the third. So it's not side, side, side. We do notice, though, that we have this vertical angle here. Now we might be tempted to think it's angle, angle, but in order to find any other congruent angles, we would need the measure of one, or we would need to know that these two lines are parallel, but they're not. So we're looking for side, angle, side. Well, the angles are congruent, so we have the angle checked out already. Now we just need to know that the sides are proportional. So I'm going to do the shortest side, 54, over the shortest side, 143. And then I'm going to do the longest side, 60, over the longest side, 156. Keeping with that same pattern. Now I'm just going to try and reduce. Well, I know that 9 goes into 54. Does 9 go into 143? No. 6 goes into 54. Does 6 go into 143? Not quite. Maybe 3? No? Well, it doesn't seem like anything goes into 54 and 143. Well, 60 and 156, I know that at least 2, 156 divided by 2, and that would give me 30 over 78. So at least another 2. That would give me 15 over 39. Well, I know 3 can go into that. So it would give us 5 over 13. Well, 54 over 143 does not equal 5 over 13. So they're not proportional. And so these are not similar. Flipping to the next page, page 2, we have number 7. And again, we're looking for these 3 postulates or theorems. So I notice I have all 3 sides. So I'm probably looking for side, side, side. So let's check this out. Shortest side is 7. Shortest side over here is 24. Next longest side is 8 and 25. And last but not least, 12 over 36. Well, already I'm noticing that neither of these is going to reduce. The only one that reduces is this, but that would be 1 over 3. So these aren't equal. That means they're not proportional, and they're not similar. Last but not least, number 8. Here we have a congruent angle. These are both 54 and two sides. So we know we're looking for side angle side. Well, short is 8 over short is 72, and short is 11 over 99. Well, this one's easy to do. I know that's just 1 over 9. And I know I can divide both of these by 8. That's also 1 over 9. So yes, these are similar by side angle side, because we had a congruent angle and we had two proportional sides.